Located in the Galindo neighborhood of Bilbao, the ABB Ring Motor Factory is the group's only facility of its kind in the world. The plant's 20,000 meters squared boasts an assembly area with a lifting capacity of 400 tons, and since production began in the early 1990s, over 110 motors have been manufactured and shipped to over 25 countries. This wealth of experience, the integration of all manufacturing processes from design and engineering to after-sales services under one roof, the extensive network of local suppliers and proximity to the port of Bilbao are just a few of our competitive advantages. Each project is tailored to satisfy our clients' needs, with customized designs that meet the most demanding technical specifications and are adapted to any altitude or operating conditions. During the manufacturing phase, we cut the segments that will form the motor's magnetic core and perform exacting tests to avoid the appearance of hotspots. With an approximate 120,000 magnetic segments per motor, we have a cutting capacity of over 2 million magnetic segments per year. The poles undergo a vacuum pressure impregnation, or VPI process, to make them more resistant to the harsh environments of mining. Our nominal capacity is over 600 poles per year, from the 64 poles of the 16 megawatt spool to the 76 poles of a 28 megawatt sag. The bars that are the fundamental component of the motor undergo the different stages of forming, connector welding and insulation before passing on to the VPI impregnation process. 100% of the bars are electrically tested in accordance with the most stringent international standards. Approximately 1,000 bars undergo winding for each motor, and the assembly process is completed on site in the mine. The efforts of the whole ABB team focus on ensuring quality, both of the components employed and in their final assembly. This is accomplished by controlling internal processes and in conjunction with our main suppliers through joint working groups. At ABB, we understand the complexity of shipping motors to mines, which requires seamless coordination between different companies, and it's always our goal to ensure delivery deadlines. Our use of local suppliers, coupled with proximity to the port of Bilbao, only 8 kilometers away, means that we can also reduce our carbon footprint, taking advantage of short hauls and using returnable packaging that heavily reduces consumption of wood and plastic. Our firm commitment to sustainability and environmental protection is highlighted by our use of certified green energy and our major investment in minimizing energy consumption to meet the ABB Group's targets for 2025 and 2030.